What's up, guys? Saturday morning, bright and early, just going off to JDM Engines Depot to check out a training for the Forester. Hopefully it's the right one. I checked all the gearing, everything looked good online, so we'll see how it goes. Going to be the beginning of a pretty long weekend. Alright guys, we are all gassed up and ready to go. Guess we'll start the 4-hour trip down New Jersey. Hopefully this training is worth it. Peace. Alright guys, we are into the trip right now. I don't know, about 3 hours, 20 minutes to go. I did research on this training. I looked around everywhere with the training code for the model year 04 Forester cross-sport transmission. I came up with nothing for the longest time. I found out that the clutch style is the same. They're both pull. The axles look to be the same style. They're both male axles. Final drive 444, that was the same. Everything was looking good. Last night, after extensive research, just trying to make sure that I wasn't making the 4-hour trip for nothing, well, 8-hour round trip, because I live in Vermont and there's nothing anywhere close by. Finally found out from, I think it was RallyXT, they had a very, very detailed transmission code list with gearing, final drive, everything. So I was finally able to confirm it on there that the transmission I'm going to look at and hopefully pick up to get my car back on the road before the next race I'm going to miss. It looks like the transmission is correct. As long as they posted the correct pictures to me for me to base this off of, for the clutch style and all that, it should be good. Once I get down there, I'm not sure if I'm going to film while I'm down there. I don't know how they feel about that. Once I leave there, I'm going to head back north and stop off at my old work Subi Mods to get some training fluid, some shifter bushing, stuff like that, and also looking on pricing on a few other things. They still treat me pretty well over there, so I'll go over there, say hello, and see what I can get. But yeah, that should be it for now. Peace. Alright guys, I am deep inside of Connecticut. Got about an hour and a half to go before I get to JDM Engines Depot. We're going to just talk about the Forester that I'm fixing a little bit. It's a 04 Forester XT with a now broken 5-speed transmission. I broke it on the way back from Stafford Springs Rallycross. That was a 2-day event, and I guess it was a little bit too much for my second gear. Second gear is my normal racing gear, so I was in it pretty much 2 days in a row all day. Plans with it, once I get it back running again, I'm going to shake it down for probably a month here and there on the weekends, and I'm not able to make it to the next event because it's already full, which is at New England Dragway. So I'm hoping to make the one that's in April. Come April, that's when all the fun stuff starts happening. UMass Car Show, other meets, more races, and also pretty soon I also want to start getting into hill climbing with the Forester. That's a whole different level of driving and racing, but I feel like I'm ready for it. I volunteered all last year, so I know the ins and outs, what happens in different situations. I know a lot of the people that do race it talk to them, get their opinions on certain things. Gave me an idea of how I want to set the car up. I feel like I should do pretty well doing that. Yeah, so the biggest downfall about blowing the tranny is the cost of the tranny is roughly the amount of emission for 2 hill climbs. So that kind of sucks. It sets me back budget-wise before the actual season even starts. But it is what it is. I'll hopefully still be able to at least do 2 events this year. See how it goes. But yeah, I'll check in when I get closer to JDM Engines Depot. Hopefully the traffic's not too bad. So far it's been fine. But you know how trips are, shit comes up. Yeah. It's kind of weird, but I like the feel that Connecticut has through here on the Parkway. It's not your normal highway. Just a cool look. Alright, I'm in New York now. Fucking hate New York. This is what I was worried about. Hopefully it's not that long. On my way back to Subi Mods right now to get some shifter bushings, tranny fluid, and a few other bits. But yeah, hopefully this doesn't suck too bad. Not nearly as fast as I wanted to be going through this, but southbound, I was going full speed. It was a lot funner going through the tunnel last time. I tried. Alright guys, just left Subi Mods, got myself some AMSOIL gear oil for the transmission, along with some Subi Mods Delrin front bushings and their house brand rear bushing. So that should be a good tight fitment. Now I'm rushing back to Massachusetts because we have a backyard hack get together at the Big Y. Just trying to get things settled and ready for the winter thaw, pretty much. Spring's pretty much here. So we're trying to figure out different events coming up and just trying to get ready for the season. So I'm going to leave it here. Might show you a little bit of me. It really depends on who shows up and if it rains. But yeah, today, pretty good successful day. I know I haven't installed the tranny yet, so can't really say that's a success, but I got it. And I got the fluids. So, yeah. Hopefully everything else goes smoothly with the actual install. Just have to wait and see. Alright guys, made it back. Figured I'd just go over some of the stuff that I picked up while I was over at Subi Mods. I ended up going with the AMSOIL for the tranny. For the bushings, I went with the Subi Mods Delrin front bushings. So there's literally no play whatsoever. It's very crisp, good shifting. One with the house brand rear bushing. Had to get some gaskets because I'm putting the HKS downpipe back on the car. and I hoard parts. So this is a Group N 5-speed tranny mount that I've had for a long time. It was originally on my other Forester that I swapped, but when I did the part out, took it off, kept it, hoarded it away. But yeah, tomorrow should be the day. Should be trying to put everything in place, make sure that the tranny works. Everything seemed fine. I went through the gears the best I could by hand, but you never know until it's in and running, so guess we'll wait and see how it is. But yeah, thanks for checking out. I should hopefully have a good walkthrough for the whole install tomorrow for the training. Things are going to be kind of hectic, but I'm going to try to go over and just do pretty much a documentary of the install, and hopefully the outcome is good and it runs. Need to make it so I can race again. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks.